Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I have posted a video on YouTube, but I kind of have a love-hate relationship with social media. But then I had to realize YouTube is not really social media, and I need to do better with posting more content on here. So today I am coming to you guys with my first ever unboxing video. I sit on YouTube all day long and I watch unboxing videos, or if it's something that I look for, I get on YouTube and see how it looks for somebody else, and then I decide if I want to purchase it or not. I know my channel has to do with, ingrown hairs and things like that. I will be dropping more of those as well because I actually pulled out a cyst sac. Okay. But anywho, before we go any further, please make sure that you guys do subscribe to my page. Please leave a comment down below. Also hit that little bell so that way you can be notified when I drop more videos. As I said, I do have a love-hate relationship with social media. So my goal for 2022 literally is to post more videos on YouTube. I may not post on my Instagram because, like I said, it can be overwhelming at times. But we are going to get into this unboxing. But before we get into it, y'all, this wig that I got on, I'm going to tell y'all now. It may come off mid-video because who do not like all this on their head is me. So y'all going to get the real me today. Y'all are going to get the real me with this video. So today's unboxing, I'm unboxing two things. You know, trying to purchase from Louis Vuitton is like literally playing the Hunger Games. Let me tell y'all that. I have been trying to purchase 3 specific items from them. And when I tell y'all, it literally says out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. You got to check, at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, who getting up at that time to see if they got the item in stock, or just randomly on a Sunday while you're on the toilet. Maybe checking your phone, you gotta see if it's other item is in stock. So I call it Black Saturday is what I call it. The day after Black Friday, because what else we gonna call it? We got Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, but I need to call it Black Saturday, and then you got Sunday where the sales is going, and then you got Cyber Monday. They really need to just call it the whole blackout weekend, just to be honest. Let's just call it that. But anyway, on Black Saturday, that's what I call it. I was online and I randomly saw that Louis Vuitton had the items that I wanted in stock. Now, mind you, I didn't even get a chance to purchase before they literally said out of stock. And I was so pissed. So I'm sitting up here like, dang, I really want this item for myself for Christmas and they're not even in stock. So every day I kept getting back on and get back on there and get back on there. And I finally was able to find this bag that I've been looking for, and I'm gonna unbox that one first. I want you guys to see it is still packaged up. I don't want y'all to see my address or any information, but y'all can still see it is still in this package. So we are gonna unbox this together, poo. Y'all remember on that So Reagan when sis was literally like opening that package and she was going crazy? That's how I feel right now. So I want y'all to try to guess what bag it is. Comment below what bag you guys think that I got. And I'm so excited that I got this bag because I've seen so many reviews on it and it's really an icon. I never thought I wanted any Louis Vuitton monogram bags because the Never Full irks me. That bag irks me, and I said I would never, ever, ever in life purchase any monogram bags from Louis Vuitton because of the Never Full. But the more I started getting on YouTube and the more I started looking, I started falling in love with a few canvas bags. And this one is literally, it is literally a staple. It is a staple piece that you must have in your collection. So I am starting my collection, as you guys can see. And this is gonna be one of my first. As y'all see, I ordered this for Christmas, so yeah. But let's get into it, okay? So it does come up. Here's this. Show my proof of purchase. So y'all can't say I got a fake. Let me show y'all what it comes with. I don't want y'all to see all my teeth. This is my first unboxing video, so If it ain't to your liking, I'm going to get better with time. Just trust and believe. I'm going to get better with time. Look at this, y'all. Bam. From LV. And then, y'all, let me tell y'all. So, I was on Poshmark one time trying to just see if I could find a pre-loved item because I was looking for the key pouch. And y'all, some tramp on there sold me a dang on fake and then got the nerve to say it was real. Since it wasn't real. Because if it was real, one, it just didn't look real, y'all. It was fake. And then the key pouches are never really in stock. And sis always kept getting them. And I'm like, okay, you must be going through DH Gate and making your own receipts because these ain't real. So, ooh, child, I'll never buy a Poshmark again. I guess this is their Christmas box. Okay. Let's go ahead and open this up together. I don't like taking off my ribbon. Can y'all guess? Can y'all guess what it is? And I'm mad it come in this box because I'm over here like, what is this damn thing shaped like a pancake? Bam. Okay, y'all guess. Y'all guess what it is? Yes, it is the beloved. I'm mad that this thing is really shaped like this. But it is the beloved Speedy B 30. Oh my God, look at it, guys. It looks so good. It's really lightweight. I don't know why I thought it would be a little bit heavier, but it's really lightweight. I'm trying to give it a shape here. And I bought an organizer for it because I do not want my bag to sag. I've seen several videos, with people, they like the saggy, but I don't want that sagginess. Here's the strap. The strap is really not that long. I thought it would be longer so I can wear it as a cross-garter body. I guess I would have to adjust it, but open it up. Let's see what's on the inside. Oh, okay. I got, y'all, the little keys. And here goes, I guess, another little extra strap. But look at it. I absolutely freaking love it. I love it. I am ready to exchange out my purse now so I can carry this. So yes, it does come with the keys, as you guys can see. I'm not going to give all the prices and all of that because as y'all can go online and see, what Louis Vuitton prices is. There's no need for me to put all of that in here. We all can read. We got 2 eyes for that anyway. Now, if y'all want me to do videos where I tell the prices, tell me that and I'll go ahead and put that in there. But I'm not going to do that. Oh, these keys are so cute. These are really cute. Now, if I lose this, I better figure my life out and figure out where I'm going to put that extra key at. But it does tell you what it was made out of. And I guess this one was made in the USA. And then this is this. I really like the ones that are made in Paris. I don't know why. I just like the ones that are made in Paris. And as you guys know, it does no longer have the date code inside. It has that microchip in all the new Louis Vuitton bags this year. They started out with the microchips. But guys, look at this. This is super cute. I was debating between the Speedy 30 and the Speedy 35 and the Speedy 20. But I carry a lot of big bags a lot. Like I have the MCM tote bag that kind of looks like the Neverfull, and I carry that a lot. And I'm not really into a lot of small handbags. So I decided on this size just so it could be more versatile because I do have an iPad that I carry for work. I carry a journal every day and, some little other odds and ends, some little wet ones, some little Lysol. I carry things like that. So I just wanted to make sure I had enough space so that I can carry those items that I will need to carry every day. But guys, this is a really beautiful bag. If you are looking to start your collection like I am, I would say start off with this iconic bag, because obviously, who made this bag an icon? Audrey Hepburn. So yeah, this is really cute. And I'm happy I did the Speedy B, the one with the strap versus the one without the strap. And sometimes sis get lazy. I do not like carrying things like this all back. I don't want to be sitting up here doing all of this, so I'm gonna have to throw it across my body. But anywho, okay, let's open up the next one. So the next one, I was told that I actually saw that I think they're going to be discontinuing this product. And when it came available online a few weeks ago, I hurried up and grabbed it because one, I can use it as a catch-all in my bags, or I could just use it as a cosmetic case if I need to, or I can even turn it into a handbag, as what I've seen on YouTube too. So I'm sure y'all can probably guess what the item was, but as y'all can see, I'm trying to not show y'all my address information. Don't need no stalkers. Oh shoot, I almost broke a nail. Videos and be doing them so delicate. I guess I just gotta keep doing it because I feel like I'm over here struggling. I be watching these all day and everybody just be so smooth, and here I am, sis is struggling. But again, if y'all want more videos like this from me on my page, just make sure you leave a comment below and let me know. I'll do a playlist so that way it won't interfere with everything else that's on my channel. Again, it does come with all the things. You know, let you know your return, which I ain't about to return. And then it lets you know where I purchased. Baby. Y'all can see what that says, and y'all can probably guess what it is that I ordered. Okay, this must be a Christmas ribbon, because y'all, let me tell you, I've seen a few people with this ribbon. I'm like, that's fake. Y'all, why y'all on here showing these fake Louis Vuitton unboxing videos? Y'all know y'all wrong for doing that. But I guess this is their Christmas wrapping, so I'm sorry if I thought y'all stuff was fake. I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. Can y'all guess? Okay. Can you guess what's in it? It is the Cosmetic Pouch GM. This is absolutely beautiful. And so, let's open it. Oh, this one was made in France, as you can see. This is really pretty. I can't wait to put this in my bag because some of my stuff won't be leaking all over my bags. This is the material thing to show you what it was made out of. But this is really cute. And so what I plan to do with this is, obviously I'm going to probably use it as a catch-all. I do have a mini pochette and I use that as a catch-all sometimes. But I might use this as a catch-all or just as what it's made for, my cosmetic pouch to put in my lip glosses and my things like that. Or if I want to, I may turn this into a small crossbody. Because like I said, I do not wear a lot of smaller bags or a lot of crossbodies. I'm a big bag girl because I'm short, so maybe that's probably why I like big things. But I do plan to get the D-rings and things like that, so that way I can turn this, when the summertime comes, just into a cute little crossbody or something I want to just grab and go instead of carrying and lugging around a big old luggage bag. But yeah, guys, these are my 2 new items that I have to my little collection. So, I'm going out of town in a few weeks on a business trip. So we'll see if I purchase anything. I may vlog and see what I get while I'm down there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is my first one, so be gentle in the comments. Don't be rude, please. And if you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more on my YouTube this year. I will be making sure that I give you guys some good content. Anywho, please make sure that you follow me on my Instagram at Raja's Beauty Bar. Also on TikTok at Raja's Beauty Bar. Again, thank you guys so much for watching my video today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.